Welcome to AI Assistance in IT, Copilot and Gemini Productivity Hacks. We'll show you how these tools can revolutionize your work. Artificial intelligence is no longer just a futuristic concept. It's here, and it's transforming the IT landscape. The industry is shifting towards AI-powered workflows, making tasks more efficient and outcomes more intelligent. We are focusing on two powerful AI assistants, Microsoft Copilot and Google Gemini. Each offers unique capabilities for IT professionals. Let's start with Copilot and how it can supercharge your daily IT productivity. Copilot excels at automating routine tasks, freeing up valuable time for more complex strategic work. For developers, Copilot offers invaluable code generation and debugging assistance, speeding up development cycles and reducing errors. It also helps with documentation and knowledge management, ensuring your project information is always up to date and accessible. Next, let's explore the unique advantages Gemini brings to IT productivity. Gemini is a powerhouse for advanced data analysis, capable of providing deep insights from complex datasets quickly. Its ability to process diverse information makes it excellent for complex problem-solving and generating innovative ideas. Gemini also offers strong cross-platform integration, making it a flexible tool in diverse IT environments. The real magic happens when Copilot and Gemini work together, creating powerful synergy. By leveraging the unique strengths of both AI assistants, you can achieve maximum efficiency across all your IT tasks. Integrated AI workflows can streamline everything from large-scale data analysis to automated system management, setting new industry standards. In conclusion, let's summarize the key takeaways and look ahead to the future of AI in IT. Embrace both Copilot and Gemini to maximize productivity, and remember to continuously stay updated on their evolving features. The landscape of AI in IT is constantly evolving, promising even more innovative solutions for productivity and efficiency. Thank you for watching.